What's up, everybody? So, new day. Today, me and Emma are going to shoot the last scene in this short film that I'm doing. It's for a competition, so I don't know if I'll be able to show you the whole thing, but I might show you snippets of it and see what you think. So what we're going to have to do is, the last scene takes place on a train, so we're just going to have to go back and forth on the train trying to get this last shot. It's going to be fun. So, it seems like it's a very nice day today. Hopefully the weather holds out, and yeah, let's get on it. Can't believe I ruined the shot by wearing sunglasses. Continuity, right? It's important.
It is.
We don't have anyone to measure it.
Well, that's your job. Basically, all you had to do was jump on a train and look the same as you did yesterday.
I know.
That was your job.
So you're rehearsing what you're going to do, right?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do?
I'll stand here,
Yeah.
and then you're going to go like this, and then you're going to go like this, and then you're going to go like this.
Okay. It's hard work filming. I think we've got it. I think we did well. This is our third time on a train. Just this morning, in the past 20 minutes or so. Yeah. But I feel like we've got the shot. Emma's not sure. She is a perfectionist. I think it's great, and I think I can do what I need to. I think I can make it look brilliant. Okay, Emma's off to class. I'm gonna go home and check out this footage and then throw it all together and see what I've got. I'm back at the train station. This time I'm not doing back and forth. I'm just going in. I'm gonna go see Emma for lunch. Then I've got like 3 hours to kill because she's got an early shift, so she's going to work. So I've got 3 hours to kill, so I might keep going back to editing the film, do a bit of color correction, go for a wander, might check out some new cameras, that sort of thing. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but yeah, it should be a good day. Then I've got work, and then after work, one of my managers is leaving, so I think we're going out for drinks for that, so that's going to be fun. So it's been brought to my attention that I have far too many sugary carbonated drinks. So what I've decided to do is just cut back on them and go for ones that are like natural fruit juices, coconut waters, and of course coffee. So pretty much I'm just going to be drinking more coffee. Okay, Emma's here now. We have her. How was class today?
It was alright. There was so many people. I don't like when it's like that.
Did you put your point shoes on?
Yeah, I wore them the whole class.
Excellent. Nice work. Feeling good? You got that audition this weekend?
Yeah. I just wish there weren't so many people, then you can do it more times.
Of course, of course. Food. Mexican?
Mexican.
Done. Let's go. I've never noticed there's a Tintin shop there. That's cool. We'll have to go in.
Not now.
Not now. We've been to where the creator came from, so we'll have to go there. Lunch is over. How was Mexican?
It was good. Okay, full.
It always fills us up. That's always a positive.
Yeah, it is.
Always. Coffee?
Coffee.
Alright, Emma's off to work. Now I'm going to go find something to do. Found the shot from the Kingsman. I haven't seen the film yet. I probably should. Seems interesting, something I'd probably like. Bit of senseless violence and spies and whatnot, so might check that out. I was sick of walking around. It's starting to get really cold, so in where it's warm, in where I have internet, and in where my laptop is. Let's do it. All right, we're off to go to the place to have drinks for Joe's farewell. I might do a bit of filming in there, so we'll have to wait and see. Ooh, football boots. Great night tonight. I'm off home now. I left a bit early, only because I want to get home because the trains there are a nightmare if I don't leave soon. So I'm at Southwark now, going to Waterloo East, going to jump on a train, go home, get some sleep because I've got to work at the bike shop tomorrow. It's been an awesome night, and I'll see you guys next time. Have fun.